Amazon just replaced 10,000 warehouse workers with AI robots in a single quarter. This isn't some distant future prediction. It happened last month across 15 fulfillment centers. Their new robotics system called Sparrow can handle 99% of warehouse tasks that humans used to do. These AI robots work 24/7 and process packages 40% faster than any human ever could. Amazon's stock jumped 12% the day they announced this automation rollout. Wall Street loves cost savings, even when it means mass layoffs for regular workers. Amazon is offering $15,000 retraining packages. But here's the kicker. Only 30% of workers actually qualify for the new tech roles. Most are just out of luck. Walmart and Target are rolling out similar AI systems next year. Industry insiders predict over 100,000 retail jobs will vanish by 2025. Smart money is flowing into Amazon's robotics suppliers like KUKA and Abby. Their stocks are surging as automation accelerates. The AI revolution rewards investors, not workers. This is just the beginning of the AI job displacement wave. Follow for daily updates on which industries are next and how to position yourself.